Hello everybody and welcome to another game development using Godot tutorial video. Today we will be discussing about our player and how we can animate our player. So in the last episode what we did, we created our player, we made him do like move around and we made it to jump. In this tutorial we will be creating an animated player. So first of all, you want to go ahead and define the root of that your player, which is especially if you made using a node, it will be like a player node or something. Just don't delete the world node, just delete the player kinematic body and we'll start another time. So to make things much more easier, click on here and add a node called player. Now why we are adding that? Because we will be storing here our player stuff, okay? So write kinematic body to be here and go ahead and add a collision shape because these two are needed. If you haven't seen my last tutorial, make sure you see that and how it works. It will be perfectly fine. So let's rename our thing player body and don't delete the script. We have the script right here and we will be here. Click on this the node thing and we have the script panel. Go ahead and click on load and go to the assets and select the GD and then open. There you go. Boom, there you go. Now we have our collision. Now instead of sprite, we will use animated sprite. So write animated sprite, make sure it's 2D and make sure it's inheriting. It's like the child of the kinematic body. It takes a sprite frames. We go ahead and you click on the animated sprite and you can see that there's an empty slot named frame. Click that and use new sprite frames and click here and it will open up the animation frame window. Go ahead and click on the default and change it up to idle. After that we need to import some graphics. So the first thing what you need to do is download the asset pack. So big shout out to Kenny. Use his assets because I really like it. I love the vector arts, whatever. Go ahead and just where you installed it. My one is in the assets folder. Assets folder, go to base pack if you download my one. It will be in the description by the way, so don't worry about that. Go to player and we have our first PNG. So boom. And loop to off because yeah. So if you have idle animation with multiple frames, make sure your loop is on so it will look great. Now go and run and make sure loop is on and make it 12 frames because that's what I need. Go to p1.walk png and shift select everything and then drag it up. Like that. Easy stuff, right? Now over here we want another sprite, another animation, I'm sorry, about jump. Make sure you write it this way, that way it will be easier for you to implement the running code, calling those animations in code. So write it in simple terms. In the jump, go ahead and go back here and we have the jump. Just boom, there you go. In idle, I don't think this will be a really good one because it's just front facing. Oh god, deleted it. Oh god. Oh my god, use that. There you go. Now go with this one. This one will be much better. Okay. Or this one. Okay, go ahead and do that. This can create a really different problem. Just to use idle. And here you can see we have our first player, animated player. Go to click here and just make it a child and we have our player. Now go on the collision shape and zoom in. As you can see the collisions doesn't match together. So if you want to match it, just go like that. Just easy, lemons, squeezy. And it's fine. Move the way. Yeah, fine. Okay, jump and run, and boom, there you go. So we can see a little bit. I think we should fix it, right? Just to fix a little bit. I think that will not be. Oh, there you go. here we have our player moving around. Now, what if we want to call those animations, right? Just boring. Now, in our script here, okay. So over here you can see in our script we need to call those animations. So first, if you want to call it, we wanna write animated sprite dot play run. Now, and when you want our when you select the right key, we want our run animation played again. Okay, so play. Now, if we are not doing anything, we want our animated sprite to play the idle animation. It's pretty simple. So when we are jumping, now the first thing you have to remember that this will not work if we are doing it using isOnFloor calling method. So if you are using isOnFloor with the input that is action pressed, you are selected, will not work. So you have to create it manually. So I tested out, it doesn't work for some reason. Press Y select. Now we want a jump animation. So say animated sprite dot play to jump. Okay. So save that. Go to reading mode. Go play. And first thing you notice that this thing goes only right. The jump function works right, but the thing is, we want our we want that if we hit the left key, we want to flip horizontal. So how we can do that? We want to do that by just writing. So if you go to animated sprite, you can see that there is this thing called rotate. So you can click on here. This is rotate. So you can't see that. Okay, wait, whatever. We need to see the code. So go ahead and go to animated sprite dot flip H and make sure that this thing is above, because we want our player to first move to the right direction, move horizontally, and then play the run animation. That's it. So after that, just do. If you don't do that, it will be true forever. So make sure you do that. So it will work fine now. You'll see it works much better. And so if we use the right key and oh god. If we use the right key and jump, it moves to and you see it works really fine. And you see it moves right always. Look, we press and jump, and the jump animation works exactly the same. So yeah, that's how to actually create your first player, and you can use the stand animation if you want. So let me try stand first, because why not? We're just trying new stuff. Delete and pop. It works fine. It works fine. It works fine. I should keep up with that one. As you see, it works fine. Now in the next episode we will be implementing the tiles, because it's just Godot logo. So I hope
I'm an icon, man. I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.